Good morning children, welcome to class 4 social studies. So today we are going to start with a new lesson, our forest and wildlife resources. Okay, our forest and wildlife resources. Okay, so what is a forest? So you would have go for a picnic to visit the forest areas with your parents, or you would have seen some videos also. So how would forest look like? Full of trees. Okay, so very large area of land covered with big tall trees, children. Okay, what are forest means? It can be also called as jungles. Okay, it is a large area of land covered with tall big trees, children. Okay, so it is you already know in forest wild animals live. So it is home to huge number of plant and animal species. Okay, it is a home. Okay, so many animals and plant varieties are there to a huge number of plant and animal species. Okay, mostly in forests are found in the hilly areas and plateaus. Okay, hilly areas and plateaus. Okay, children. Now coming to India, in India the 20% of the land is only covered with forest. Okay, 20% of the land is only covered with forest. Actually, how much it is required, you know, in a country at least 33% of the land should be forest. Okay, so how much it is required is a minimum of 33%. But in India, you have only 20%. Okay. So the next one, forests are very important natural resources, children. Okay. The nature has given us the forest. Mainly, the forest protect the earth, children, from getting warmer. Okay, if more trees are there, our earth will not get warm. Okay, the temperature will not increase. So the forests are important natural resources. Okay, then what could be the importance of forest? Okay, so many points are there. We will discuss one by one. So as we all know, it is home to wild animals. So lion, tiger, giraffe, camel, jackal, wolf, hyenas, so many wild bison, so many wild animals. It's the home. Okay. Next one, the animals get their food from this forest. Okay, the animals get their food from this forest. And one more thing, this see, if deer is there, deer eats grass, and then the deer is eaten by the tiger or lion or jackal or wolf. Like that, the process will be going on. So everything is dependent on each other. Okay, one has to depend on each other for the food. So these are all being provided by the forest. Okay. The next one, the forest gives us, from the trees, oxygen is being released. Okay, the plants and the trees utilize carbon dioxide. In EVS, you could have studied how it makes food, plants and trees, use of carbon dioxide, sunlight, water. Okay, in the same way, here the plants and trees gives out oxygen so that we people can breathe. Okay, then it gives a fresh air, pure and cool. So when you go and stand under a big tree, you will feel cool. Yes, it gives shadow for us. So that's why the forest gives us a fresh air, pure and cool. Okay, the next importance is mainly the forest. The trees are there. From the trees you can make out timber. Timber means remove the big tall trees are there. No, remove the bark and the wood will be there. No, you can call it as log, big logs children. That one timber is being used to make railway sleepers. So when you are traveling in train, you could have observed a track is like this, means a wood will be down under this. This is your railway sleepers. Okay, nowadays it is being replaced by concrete one. So from British times they were using the wood only children. Then next one, matchsticks, furniture, everything, your table, desk, everything is so many artifacts. All these are made from the wood only. Okay, so that gives for a timber. Okay, so it is the forest is a provides as a raw material children. Because of this, it is a source of raw material. Okay, it is a source of raw material. The next one is your soil erosion prevention. Okay, so what happens? The trees hold the soil with its roots. Okay, hold the soil with its roots. So when a heavy rain or any flood comes, means so that the soil doesn't washed away by the water. Okay, so it forest, it prevents soil erosion. Okay, and then mainly, as I told you again, so heavy rain or heavy flood is there, means the trees protect the soil. Okay, the next one, from the forest you can get the medicinal plants and herbs children. Okay, you can get the medicinal plants and herbs. Okay, so many are there children. Okay, you can get honey also. You could have observed herbs. Okay, it is used to make medicines. Okay, then next one, other products, see, such as rubber, resin, camphor, cork. Okay, rubber, it is got from the rubber tree that lands, that is the white milk they will collect, and it is used to make the rubber children. So rubber, where and all you see making mainly tires, that is our slippers, and then any belt like that. For that rubber is being used. And resin means a gum like thing will be sticking to that. When you touch, it will be sticky children. Okay, so in many trees you would have observed that sticky thing. So that is your resin also. That also used to make sweet, mixed with sweet. Okay, in dry sweet they will make, or for medicine also they will use. Okay, the next one is camphor. Okay, what is camphor, for that also. And then cork. So you could have heard about in cricket cork ball. That one. And another one is to cover the bottles children. So the cork is being used. Okay, so if you cut one cork tree, to get again cork from the tree, it will take 8 years. Okay, so these trees are very, very important. Okay, and then it provides us with food and fruits. The next one, environment. So as more trees are there, it makes our environment pollution free. So in previous videos also I have told you about the global warming. Okay, so as the plants and trees are being cut, the temperature of the earth is being increased by 1 or 2 degrees. So all over the leaders are discussing to reduce the temperature of the earth. So they are advising to reduce the smoke coming out of the factories, okay, mining activities, everything they are telling to reduce children, so that the forest gives us a pollution free environment. Okay, so if trees are there, it will absorb the maximum carbon dioxide children, so our earth will not get warmer. Okay, so follow this. You also make a promise that you will grow more trees, okay, when you grow up. Thank you children.